Let's now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Department of Foreign Affairs, Emisaries. Let's start with our middle blocker, number 8, Alex Tangayan. Setter, number 9, DP Babalinas. Outside hitter, number 14, Yvonne Reyes. Middle blocker and their team captain at number 16, Mitch Olivere. Opposite hitter, number 19, Chenga Barrientos. Outside hitter, number 20, Kat Magsumbol. Starting libero at number 17, Joy Manabo. Head coach of the Emisaries, Mr. Ralph Calasin. Calling on our armed forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and their team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Hake. Setter, number 6, Yeno Lores. Opposite hitter, number 8, Staff Sergeant Rhea Marifosque. Middle blocker, number 11, Fireman First, Florence May Madulid. Middle blocker, number 14, Sergeant Mayan Pantino. Outside hitter, number 15, Staff Sergeant Ann Margaret Dolohan. Starting libero at number 10, Rachel Andegia. Head coach of the Lady Gunners, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. It's the Emisaries versus the Lady Gunner. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
And we are just about ready to put the ball into serve. And the DFA, which has not yet won a single game, but they did take one set a long time ago against... let me check which team. The Judiciary. They lost in 4 sets to that team. And the referees trying to sort out who goes first and setting the rotation. Isa sa mga pinag-aaralan ng mga players dito, mastering the rotation.
Oo nga, importante yun. Pag mali yung posisyon mo at nag-serve ka, naku, puntos sa kalaban yun.
Matyaga naman yung ating mga referee ipaliwanag yung process na rotation.
Yeah.
Hindi naman pro players ito. So, minsan, pagka nagsiswitching, nagpe-play, nakakalimutan ko na saan nakapwesto. All set to go. Number 14 sa DFA ang magsaserve si Yvonne Reyes. Isa sa mga import nila. Okay na daw? Sabi ng ating referee. First attack. Libero doing a good job, and Olores will reset and dump it into the hole.
Kita niya yan na pwede siya pumuntos by dumping that ball on 2. So yun ang ginawa niya.
And Olores so deceptive at that particular position at the setter. And the first serve will now belong for the AFP, and that's Dolohan. Babalinas, the set, and it's chased down this time by Pantino. Block, but kept in play. Battle at the net. Well done.
Oh, ang ganda nung kamay, no? You could see it, the flick of the wrist, si Madulid. That's why mabilis yung bagsak nung bola and sharp.
May Madulid, one of the 4 imports of the AFP team. Here comes the set and the drop. Kung magsumbol, naka-glasses today, ha?
Oh.
In the meantime, it's 3-0. Still scoreless are the Emisaries. All set to serve, by the way, is Dolohan. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, naririnig mo, no? Maingay ang AFP sa floor. And that's, it brings their energy level up even higher.
Yeah, actually, warm-up pa lang. Masaya na. Well, the only game they've lost so far actually was on a technicality. As Dolohan sets it to Lawrence. Here's a great strike by Cheryl Hackett. Taking care of that.
It's fun to watch Hake because if you compare her game now as opposed to yung season 1, ang laki-laki nung difference, ang laki-laki nung pag-level up.
Parang mas confident siya ngayon.
Oo, mas confident.
Baka mas fit siya. In the meantime, nabutasan ng AFP. For the first time, DFA rather gets its first point.
Oh, meron kasing rule, 'di ba, na dapat pag gumalaw ka, kunin mo na yung bola. Dolohan move that time. So, akala ng teammate, she was going to get that.
Walang bawal dito. Bawal sa volleyball ang akala. Olores with the set. And I think Hake missed the target.
That was a good aim though, zone 1. Usually talagang malaki ang butas doon walang nagbabantay. But that swing went just too strong.
Yan ang mahirap mastering how to send it to that particular zone. Olores close to the net, might as well dump it onto. It's tracked down and kept in play. Hake has it. Olores will reset. The attack from the right side. Good libero work or good work on the other side, taking it up. Magsumbol. Olores, Madulid, the strike. That's no problem. We have the first long exchange. We are still in play. Referees don't blow with the whistle. Standing spike. You'll see a lot of that here, but that works for Hake.
You know, si Hake, she was off position, but she managed to position herself in a way na kahit na simple over lang yung palo niya, mahihirapan yung kalaban. Maganda yung top spin
Ang dami rito trying that standing spike kasi iba pag may net na Pagka ginagawa mo sa warm-up o ginagawa mo sa drills, okay lang yan. Pero pag may net na, iba na yan.
Oo.
Padulid. Block. Olores unable to elbow it up.
That was a good block there by Magsumbol. Ayan, nakita natin yan sa with a little help from the net. But, you know, the fact that she was there on time, talagang pinapanood niya saan yung atake manggagaling. Too strong ang serve ng DFA that time.
And the Lady Gunnar take over the serve again. It'll be number 11. This is May Madulid. Olnavare, Magsumbol hits it out.
She tried to aim for the sideline. It just went wide.
And the serve will still go with Madulid. 7 against 3 here. Madulid, sharp and true. Lifted high, Magsumbol strikes. Madulid is there. Down the middle we go. And it's easily taken care of. That shot of Reyes. And it dies in the water.
Communication is crucial. You know, especially pag nag-aagawan kayo ng bola to keep it alive. Kailangan talaga malakas yung sigaw.
At malakas yung tulak mo doon sa kampi mo. Tabi dyan, akin yung bola. Get out.
Correct.
Ayos dyan. Third straight serve of Madulid in play. Babalinas. Yun. Communication. Yan. Hang on, Chiki. Let's send it to Ira who has a report.
Captain Cheryl Hake works for the commission as a field officer or a combat officer. So, pag may mga pagkakataon ng gera o kailangan may ipadala, i-assign sa isang destination na kailangan bantayan at may threat na mga kalaban, siya yung isa sa mga sasabak dyan. And what's interesting about Captain Cheryl is she's also a mom of 2 boys, ages 15 and 10 already. So, sabi niya sa akin, isa sa mga challenges ng pagiging isang sundalong ina ay ang pagpapalaki sa kanila dahil syempre hindi niya madadala yung kanyang mga anak sa barracks or sa batalyon nila dahil malayo to sa syudad. Malayo siya sa mga school, malayo siya sa mga ospital so pag magkakaroon ng emergency. So isa ang naging setup nitong si Captain Cheryl ay tuwing 3 months uuwi na lang daw siya ng Davao para makasama ang kanyang mga anak. Ito yung mga sakripisyo niya bilang isang sundalong ina at syempre bilang isang public servant. Balik sa inyo.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ira Pablo. She will patrol the beach here today. Alam mo, challenges ito, hindi mga professional players ito, no? Dami rito naglaro collegiate, pero marami rito may mga asawa na, mga nanay na. Hindi na pareho yung challenges pag single ka.
Oo.
Nakakatawa, no? Nakita ko dyan si Wendy Simana.
Oo.
Si Wendy, sabi ko, Wendy, may naturuan ka na bang kasing galing mo? Kasing galing-galing.
Ano daw?
Papasa ko sir, akong bahala dyan. Si Wendy, thrilled to cover her when she was playing for that champion team of FEU.
Magaling na setter Very cool maglaro.
Saka humihiga sa area yan Padulid will continue to serve. The score stands rather at 10-3. Pabalinas. Magsumbol, tinanggal yung salamin. Palagay ko na-distract. That shot in play from Reyes. Oliveri gets to it. Olores. Whoa, wicked shot.
Ang ganda naman ng communication doon. Let's watch that again. Cool na cool on the opposite, on the right side. The blockers were there, pero mas nauna yung atake than the block.
Exactly, that's what happened. And the score now stands at 11-3 against, well, the DFA rather struggling here. Oliveres slaps it over. Olores sets it for Captain Hake. And it's too hot to handle.
Grabe, no? Kaya pala ibang klase ang tapang ni Captain Hake. Kung siya yung nadadala sa labas, kung merong mga places na kailangan bantayan, diba? So now, here on court, dito yung tapang niya, nakikita natin.
Saka naalala ko isang report ni Ira dati. Alam ko, nag-assemble ng rifle ito. Marunong siya mag-assemble ng rifle. Yep. Set up. And it's still very much in play. Better defense by the DFA. Magsumbol. Olores could not handle it.
Yeah, magsumbol, using her smarts there. Hindi kailangan lahat strong ang hit. So she went for a soft touch there. Ayun, puntos.
Buti andito ka ngayon. Wala kang radio program today.
Oh, wala today.
Anong araw ba yan? Tuesday?
Tuesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
In the meantime, mga guest mo, no? May mga senior na ako nakikita mo sa post mo.
Yes.
13-4 ang ating score. AFP. Pero pag tumawag ang volleyball, ano? Andito.
Ano, talagang leave everything behind.
Hake! El Capitan. Long. Uy! Ginalaw ni Magsumbol. Actually, mukhang out, pero hard to tell. We will have Mal Santa Maria check in for the first time, replacing Magsumbol in the DFA lineup on the floor. Okay, all set to unleash her serve. Pabalinas. Papaluin ko to. Uy, hinabol ni Dolohan.
Akala ni Dolohan, tatamaan si Mori. Yung ating,
sayang hindi tinamaan si
yung ating floor director.
Alam mo, bayan mo siyang tamaan. 14-5. Lakas kumain yan.
Actually, sinave ni Dolohan si Moy, di ba?
Kumaway pa eh, no? Pabalinas will set this up, but oversets it. Olores says, Dolohan, slap it out. Pabalinas, from the pipe. Miss it. Not ready si Santa Maria doon actually.
She was the one who received it. Tapos sa kanya din binigay yung chance to attack, but she was still out of position that time.
Parang, di ba? Parang, bakit ako?
Oo. Di ba dapat sa front?
Pero andyan ka na eh. They were trying to be different as Pabalinas dumps it on two.
Pwede pa.
Good stretch. Dolohan got to it. Pabalinas. And the defense is hard at work here. Down the middle. Di tumawid.
Yeah. And si Pantino Ju na hindi talaga na-block yun. It did not go over. Mitch Oliveri there with a sayang yung service.
Okay, Ira, go ahead, please.
4 players from the DFA will not seek action for today's game. Kasama na dyan si Pat Cortez, si Jane De Leon, si Jackie Waga, at si Andy Lazaro. Meron silang mga prior commitments with work na hindi daw sila pwedeng umabsent. Now, nakausap ko kanina si Kat Magsumbol and I asked for her thoughts about the current situation of the DFA. Ang sinabi niya sa akin, ang pinakamalaking struggle nila right now is yung hindi nila pagsabay-sabay ng galaw sa loob ng court. Sabi niya, maayos daw yung takbo ng trainings. It's still very competitive, pero unfortunately, pagdating sa game, nag-iiba na syempre yung galaw ng bola at syempre nag-iiba lahat ng positionings, lalo na pagdating sa mga kalaban. But she remains very hopeful dahil sabi niya, first round pa lang naman ito, kahit hindi daw nagre-result sa panalo yung progress nitong DFA, ay nakikita nila individually nag-i-improve yung team. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Ira Pablo. And, you know, there are seasons like that. You won't get that many wins, but you struggle on. That's Reyes. That's Magdulid who drops it easily.
Oh, medyo wide yung set doon ni Olores, pero nagawa ng paraan ni Madulid. Hindi na niya hinampas yung bola, but used her smarts there.
Big lead by the AFP, an 11-point lead here in the first set. Dolohan. And that dies in the water. That will be 19-7 here in the first.
Ang AFP talaga kilala sila sa mga service aces eh.
Yes. Sergeant Dolohan fires away, off for serve. Ah, that's inside.
Good aim there by Santa Maria. No? Tinarget niya yung end zone eh.
And
Mahirap.
And Pantino and I think Dolohan.
Oh,
no, Pantino. Marifosque. Not really ready for that one. Right down the middle. Here's a punch of a serve. Olores. Hakeg. Down the line.
Alam mo si Olores kasi alam na niya kung ano yung gusto ng kanyang attackers. That's why when she sets the ball, she puts her attackers in really good positions. Ito, ang ganda nung palo ni...
Yes, very good point. 20-8 is the count. Tracked down by Babalinas. That's short on the attack. Santa Maria can't get her rhythm going.
I think by this time kasi parang very careful na. Ayaw mo magkamali as a player and that limits your options tuloy. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga errors.
You hesitate, you doubt. You're not sure. On the other hand, so much confidence on the AFP side from the back row. That is Yvonne Reyes. This slap, Reyes is there. Babalinas elevates it. And that slap is too long. That will not work.
You know, si Olores, iniikot talaga niya yung bola eh. Hindi lang siya one attacker.
That shot by number 8, Alex Tangayan, unable to find its mark. Here's Olores as the AFP making some big steps towards the finish line. Tangayan gets it to go. Strike, and it's long.
May halong gigil doon sa palo ni Madulid.
Change in the lineup. Advento is going to come in for the first time, and he's going to pull out Alex Tangayan. Actually, may part kasi sa ganitong tournament. Laro lang. Okay lang yan.
Enjoy lang.
Maniwala. Kesa, doon tayo sa opisina, hindi na. Biyernes naman bukas pagpasok natin, doon pa rin yung trabaho natin
Correct.
Hindi naman magkakagulo mundo. Ewan ko lang sa DFA, alam mo naman, marami rin inasikaso yan.
Maraming umaalis ngayon.
Yes. Marami tayong international challenges. Adviento serve. Ake continues to be prolific. She has 6 points so far.
Nag-sorry pa si Hake sa bench for that hit. Kasi parang sa kanya miss-hit, but it did the job. Earned the point for their team.
2 points away from the finish line, the AFP. What a serve. Reyes is there. Santa Maria trying to get going. Hake lifts it high. Pantino's shot. All right.
O si Pantino, no, ang position ng shoulders niya is cross court, pero ginawa niya ng paraan para daplisin opposite to where her shoulders were facing.
And that creates part of the deception. Set point for the AFP here in the first. Madulid has served a lot here. And the regalo is bounced upon by Pantino. We are done in the first set. Short work for the AFP, Chiki.
Yeah, AFP, they were really just having fun inside the court. Taking advantage of yung mga ganyan. Tsaka yung mga errors nila, very limited.
And that'll do it for the first set. We'll have the second set ready for you wherever you are after this. Pakainin nyo ng inihaw na manok yung dalawang bata na yan, ha? Kasi yan ang favorite dito sa Paco Arena. Mukhang hindi pa kumakain ng tanghalian. Mukhang malungkot pa eh. Wala, ayaw maki-emoji, no? 25-10 nung score ng first set. Full control. Watch the, look at the numbers.
Yeah, you know, the first set finished in 17 minutes. Ang attack points talaga ng AFP ang nanaig. The distribution of the attacks, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Olores. And mas madami din ang errors ng DFA. Very limited, like what I said earlier, no, sa errors ng AFP. Ang AFP kasi, they were talking inside the court. They knew their zones. They knew the abilities of per person, yung skill level. Kaya tuloy, yung confidence level nila as a team, when they work as a team, mas mataas. Kasi alam nila yung skill level ng bawat isa eh. So itong DFA, they really need to communicate inside the court. Kailangan less yung errors and talagang concentrate on the serve receive.
Okay, the AFP will feature one of the veterans we've covered for many years, Lilet Mabayad. Joins hockey at that very tall front line of the AFP, and they're very enthusiastic and very energetic. Libero Rachel De Guia is also there, and on the other side, some changes. We'll go through them as we sail along. Just Dairo is already there for the DFA, and Dairo introduces herself with the first point of the DFA.
Yeah, good controlled hit there by Dairo. Aiming yung zone 6, yung sa gitna. Yun din one of the zones na hindi nababantayan. Parang zone 1.
And again, if you're watching this for the first time, ang tournament natin requires all players to play. Kahit sandali lang, kahit isang serve, isang rotation, but everybody who puts on a uniform gets to play. Mabayad blasts away, and Let gets her first point.
With a little help from the net, medyo na iba tuloy yung speed at saka yung pagbagsak ng bola niya, kaya medyo nagulat ang DFA defender na si Dairo.
And Lilet will be serving right now. Of course, pag sinabing Mabayad, pangalang volleyball talaga. Samantala, hindi nakatanganan ng mabuti ni Manabong ang bola as libero. Let will serve anew. Nag-aagawan sa bola. Dairo got to it. Dairo will heave it over. Mukhang mahaba pero naglanding ng pababa. Well set on display. Pantino blasts away and scores.
Si Pantino talaga kailangan bantayan yan kasi pag nasa harap siya at nabigyan siya ng bola, ang usually ang ganda ng mga palo niya. Paano man? Yes. Rin ang set.
And you're right about the AFP. They seem so comfortable playing with each other. And that's why they are the defending champions, trying to defend. Oh, well done. Well done. Dairo knocking that down.
Si Dairo, tinitingnan niya yung floor defense ng AFP. Kaya nung hinabol niya, imbes na, you just hit it anywhere, pinush niya sa zone 6 ulit.
Binibilisan niya yung tempo ng laro nila para hindi lang receive, set, ito, back to normal, Dairo blasts, uses her left hand, and she has scored 3 points, huh?
Oo. Ang smart ng laro ni Dairo doon because nakita niya yung blocker to the block. Look at that. Wiped the ball off the hand of the blocker.
All the points of the DFA belong to Jasmine Dairo. De Gia gets to it. Olares has to fight for it. It's down and out. De Gia unable to heave it high. DFA by 2, 5-3.
And Dairo doing a good job in net defense there, stopping the attack of the AFP Gunners.
Checking that, it's just 4-3. But still, if you're DFA, you thank your lucky stars you're in the lead right now. Into the net, though. They could not sustain it.
Pero you like what you see sa DFA, mas maingay sila ngayon compared to set 1.
Nakalamang eh.
Oo.
Diba? Nakapuntos eh. Kanina parang ang bagal ng scoring nila, pagong na pagong eh. May Dr. Barion is in for the libero on the other side for the AFP. Captain Hake. Oh, yes, that's a double contact.
Mabilis kasi yung pagbigay ng first ball sa kanya. So, yung center ng DFA tried to put, si Pabalinas, tried to put that ball up, but she was running. Kaya hindi niya nahawakan yung bola ng tama.
Didn't have her feet under her also, so wala ring balance. Hake, this serve in play. They want to go to this woman who, I think she scraped the net. Yep.
Yeah. Yan yung one of the risks when you want to be really aggressive in your attack, sumasabit sa net eh, kuminsan.
And in your earnest desire to equalize the set count, because the AFP took the first at 25-10, want things to happen. You don't want to be shut out here today. In the meantime, Hake with a bullet. Dairo receiving. Abarientos is there. Dairo unloads. But the defense already assembled. Pantino back row, kept in play. You don't want to waste it. Elevated high. Down the middle. Yes, well cut shot.
Kita mo yung silip ni Pantino doon eh. Nakita niya lahat naka-atras dahil inaabangan na yung malakas niyang palo. So she rolls that ball over. Hits a perfectly open zone.
Hirap ng volleyball na yung gamble you take. You either go back kasi malakas or do I dive in. But you know, you gotta be quick on your feet.
Right.
And Captain Olavere is short. And after a brief fling with the lead, the AFP is now leaving the DFA behind by 4. Ira, what do you have?
Sir Seb and Miss Chiki, kanina pinag-uusapan nyo si Wendy Ann Semana, and did you know nandito siya ngayon with the AFP. Kausapin natin siya. Welcome to the UVL once again, Wendy Ann Semana. I'm sure maraming gustong makaalam kung bakit hindi ka na nga ba nag-jersey for this season.
Sa ngayon kasi, from last year, spiker kasi ako. Setter naman talaga ako. Nakita ko naman na marami namang spiker na mag-fill up sa position ko. So I decided na lang na mag-step up to a coach na lang. And then kung sa setter naman, andyan naman si Olores. Matibay naman siya, so kailangan lang siyang i-guide sa katuruan ko.
Alright, ngayon looking at the lineup this season compared to last season, masasabi mo bang malaki ang chance ng AFP na makuha at ma-defend ulit yung title this season?
Malaki yung chance. And mas malakas yung team ngayon compare last year.
Alright, kung nag-champion na yung last season, na malakas yung lineup, mas malakas pa daw ngayon, Sev and Chiki?
Okay, thank you very much, Wendy. And it's always nice to catch up.
Yes.
Alam mo naman si Wendy, napaka-humble niyan eh.
Alam mo, pag naglalaro si Wendy, I love watching her set. Talagang ganda ng kamay.
Yung bola parang ang lambot.
Oo.
Kung spiker ka, gusto mong paluin.
Oo, correct.
Nice interview. Thank you very much. This is long on that shot by Barion.
Pero you gotta like what Olores is doing. Iniikot niya yung bola. Dinidistribute niya talaga so everybody will have a chance to score.
Down on the ground. It goes. The libero just a step away that time. That's number 17, Joy Manabong.
There goes that back underhand set. And wow, si Pantino, no? Talagang ang daming ways to attack.
In the meantime, Reyes ended up swimming for the ball, and the AFP maintains a 6-point lead in the second.
Si Pantino not only attacks in front but also from the service zone.
Oh, yes. And there she is. Loaded ang serve niya talaga. In the meantime, Reyes uncorks. That's a good shot, but kept in play from the back row. Mataas! Kinuha sa taas ng gigil si Dairo.
But you know, kung ikaw teammate mo yan, at least, di ba, inatake niya yung bola.
Now we need points.
Oh.
We're down by 7 already right now, and she got them off going. They had a brief lead. Oh, that serve just above the net. Oh, and Jet let Mabayad hits a regalo.
Kinulang lang ng konting stretch si Yvonne. He's right there.
Yeah. Meron tayong timeout, makinig tayo.
Pero ang selfish play, dapat set yun eh. Diba, second goal pa lang, hindi naman maganda yung set para itap. Wala nang ibang re-receive dyan, kayo lang. So, dapat hatiin yung dalawa yung court kung paano nyo hatiin. Eh, ito na kayo, magkatabi na kayo. Wala na kayo hinati. Kahit wag mo i-cover si Joy. Tama, alos magkakatabi lang kayo sa likod, ganyan lang ang pwesto ko. Diba? Sige, i-compose nyo lang. I-compose nyo. Pag may receive naman kayo, may atake kayo eh. Hihirapan nyo yung isang puntos kasi natapon nyo yung puntos. Isipin nyo yun.
Alam mo, at a certain point, yung coaches, they cannot do everything. The players will have to take over.
Yeah. Okay. But, you know, I think that was a good timeout from Coach Quintin kasi nga gusto mong stop na yung momentum ni Pantino eh.
Which only the players can do actually, because she's been serving well, and you were right, scoring from every... Oh! That's such a deceptive shot by Mabayad that ricocheted off Reyes actually, and Pabalina said, "Saan ang bola?" Come on. Well,
Oo nga, pero nag-sorry din doon si Mabayad eh. Parang off pa nga yung talon niya eh for that attack.
not as smooth as she probably wanted it. That is in!
You know, yung mga, when you let go of a ball, you have to really be sure that it's outside, it's long. Masyado silang nasa loob pa ng court eh to let that ball go.
Absolutely. Ira?
If you take a look at Mitch Olivera, you will notice her much slimmer figure right now. Sabi niya kasi sa akin na puro siya injuries. Masyado na daw mabigat yung kanyang upper body kaya bumibigay yung kanyang legs. Kaya ang ginawa niya, nag-intermittent fasting daw siya. So her last meal is at lunchtime. Tapos kinabukasan na daw siya ulit kakain. And on weekend, she's very active at the gym. And syempre, itong UVL also keeps her active as well. So previously, she was 98 kilos. She's now down to 84. So that's 14 in total so far for her weight loss journey. Balik sa inyo.
Oh nga, Ira, good story because Olivera, when we opened last year, I remember she got injured in that opening game and she has struggled. Alam mo, when you're older also, weight loss is not that easy. So it's a compliment to Olivera for what she's doing. In the meantime, there's a set. Back row. Mababa yung set ni Lores. Sorry. Sabi niya.
Kailangan i-capitalize ng DFA yan. Yung error ng Lady Gunners.
Pag mababa yung set, walang chance maka-adjust sa approach yung attacker.
Oo, kailangan may top spin ka na lang doon.
Olivera seems to be moving so much better. Regalo, Mabayad. Standing spike, Dairo. Mabayad. Playing patty cake at the net. That'll work.
Nicely done there by Reyes. Kita niya, nandun na si Mabayad sa harap niya eh. So, kailangan iwasan niya. And because isa lang naman yung blocker, she had room para makapag-adjust.
So correct. And Reyes now with a total of 3 points. Into Mabayad, who ends up short.
I think Mabayad kanina pa siya gutom na tirahin yung bola na talagang sharp and strong.
Olivera and company trying to wage a comeback here. Olores. Mabayad, better strike. And Mabayad found the target this time.
And you gotta love what Olores did, no? Nagkamali si Mabayad, so binigay niya ulit sa kanya.
That's a good point, yeah.
Para yung confidence level nandun pa din.
The smart setter. Oh, sige, bawi ka.
Oo.
Oh! That will not work. Tangayan. Alam mo, sometimes yung, there's no name for it. Yung parang beach volleyball mo ba na yung parang...
Chop.
Chop, yung prayer, parang prayer. I used to love that because it's so easier to control compared to tossing. Diba? Pag yung off-serve, taas mo lang siya, pipitik. Kasi pwede kang tawagan nung araw, diba? Lifting ang tawag, di double contact. 18-11.
Pero alam mo, I've never done that chop when I was playing.
Why?
Kasi pinapagalitan kami ng coach. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka in position.
That's also true. That's also true. Saka kung if you look at it squarely, hindi rin ganun ka-reliable compared to the 200 dig. Idig mo na lang. Here we go. Solid serve. Here's an open set. And the captain taking care. Hake knocking it in.
Kanina pa hot na hot si Hake.
Major Hake. Major. Why am I calling her captain? Major. Baka last year captain siya. Ngayon major na siya.
Si Major Hake, major din ang role niya sa AFP.
Dairo, nice drop. Hake got to it. Hindi na. Isalo pa ka. Marifoske is there. She's smiling still. Back row. Agawan. Hala, magkagulo kayo, sabi ni Mabayad. Isa pa tayo. Labas.
Ang ganda ng galaw ng emissary sa court. Medyo matagal itong rally na to, and that one talagang buti na lang lumabas for the sake of the backward players.
The emissaries came into this game with their eyes wide open that they're up against the defending champs.
Yeah.
We probably will find it difficult, but let's just have fun and do our very best here.
Yes.
Olores sets it for the middle. Mabayad. That is pushed high, and it's a successful recovery of the chop there.
Yes! Sabi ko nga, classic example of the chop. Nabalik niya yung malakas na palo ni Major Hake with that.
Kuminsan kasi, di ba, yung chop, kasi pag undecided ka, didig ko ba, ito-toss ko ba, i-chop mo. Mabayad with a bullet.
Nicely done there by Mabayad. Middle hitter siya, but you could also put her sa opposite.
Yeah.
Good back set there by Olores.
They let Mabayad already with 6 points, and there she is serving. Good floor D. Olores says, let's put it over. No need to toss it. We're in our third touch. Genta, good battle. Reyes. Tangayan says, let me try. Marifoske is at the back row. Whoa! Well done.
Nakita ni Pantino na yung gitna. Yan, dyan ako makakapuntos. So when that set came to her, kita mo yung kamay niyo, nakabukas Hindi naman siya nag-snap ng wrist. She knew where she wanted that ball to go.
Sergeant Pantino in double digits with 11 in the match. Defense of AFP airtight. That'll work. Hake now with 10 points.
Maganda kasi rin kung saan nanggagaling si Hake. Nasa labas siya malaki yung tinatakbo niya. So that momentum contributes dun sa strength ng kanyang palo.
Or rather, emissaries want to talk things over.
Kaya kung umatras man kayo, mag-advance na kayo, unti-unti na kayong umaabante nun. Kasi mag-short na yun aantayin nyo na mapalo, tas gagalaw kayo, eh hindi nga kayo nakababa, nakatayo kayo. So 1 count ulit, from up, down, 1 na ulit, o 2. Wala na, nandun na yung bola, naunahan na naman kayo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, isipin nyo lang yung gagawin nyo, kung ano lang yung training natin, yun lang gagalawin nyo. Kapag ka naman nag-effort kayo, di ba may sukli naman na, na puntos? Pero kapag ka pinabayaan nyo, di puntos na agad nila. Di ba? Nag-effort na rin lang kayo, ibigay nyo na. Andiyan na kayo eh.
Actually, ang sabi nga ni coach ng DFA na kaya mo namang basahin actually yung bola eh. Pag if you stay close to the ground, that's the secret eh. Kaya manonotice nyo lahat ng mga players or almost all the volleyball players malaki yung hita because sila eh, talagang, di ba? You concentrate on being close to the ground.
And then you're stooping down low, and every coach you've ever had in your life keeps saying, stay down, baba!
Hindi ka nakababa! Yan.
In the meantime, the DFA gets its 15th point, and the serve will now belong to Alex Tangayan.
Good serve.
Oh, very solid serve indeed. And the strike, Pantino. Pabalinas. Olivere. Olores. Strike by Pantino makes it 23-15.
Ganda ng connection ni Olores tsaka ni Pantino. Isang tawag lang Alam na ni Pantino what kind of hit she's gonna do.
Appearing for the first time, number 18, this is April Juanillo pulling out Alex Tangayan in the DFA roster. Papalo. Olores says, let's do this. Sabi ni Dairo, alis dyan. Kay Pantino kaya?
Oo, sa kanya. Kasi nung kinuha ni Pantino yung first ball, sinabihan na niya si Olores na sa kanya ibigay.
Kindat lang yun, kindat. Puso, kindat. Set point.
The blocker was there, pero nakalusot siya. She went in between the arms of the blocker.
You know, you're right about their connection. They knew exactly what they wanted to do off that defensive pattern. As Major Jaque serves. Free ball. Olores, different customer now. Marion. Nice jump by Dairo. Olores, tapusin na natin to. Ayaw. Sumisipa ang emisaris. Olores, tignan natin. Ayaw. Inside.
Nicely done there by Olivere, the team captain. She went long. Medyo under the ball siya, but she was able to put that ball sa zone 1.
Blocked.
Good block.
Well blocked.
Alam ni Reyes kung kanino mapupunta yung bola. So she was there for Pantino.
Same play as kanina.
Oo. Good timing.
And they saved 2 set points here. Olores says, let's try this. Long, and they saved their 3rd set point.
Good eye by Dairo. Sinigaw na niya na out. So hindi na nila hinabol yung bola.
Mabayad, Olores, Pantino, tapos.
Pantino, nakita niya 2 blockers but not a problem.
1 + 1 = 2, tapos. 25-18, a little longer this time around, but the same result. AFP now with a 2-0 lead against the DFA Emissaries. Okay. 22 minutes ang ating second set. Mas maganda naman ang output ng DFA. In fact, in the early part of the set, they even led 4-3 but hindi nagtagal. Here's a look at the numbers.
Yeah, the Lady Gunners, inano pa rin sila, no? In attacks, mas matindi pa rin sila doon because they had really good first balls. Olores had a lot of options. She can go to the front, she can go to the back. Wala, but you know, ang Lady Gunners this time, wala silang block. Merong ang 2 blocks ang DFA, which, you know, came at good timing din itong 2 blocks ito kasi it built the momentum kahit paano. But the services of AFP, mas mataas pa rin, 5 as opposed to 1. Like what I thought noon, mas madami yung errors ng AFP. Usually kasi nangyayari din yan kapag halimbawa nakuha mo na yung first set, leading ka naman sa second set, so you relax a little bit more. Kaya nagkakaroon ng errors.
Well, the DFA, the team that has yet to win a single game in our tournament, their journey continues and, you know, nagkaka-breakthrough din yan. You just keep on playing, you know.
Oh, it's also hard because once a week lang ang training nila.
Yeah. You know, if you compare it to the UAAP, yung UE for the longest time, hindi manalo yan. Now they're playing so much better, no?
Right.
They've got better players, probably more challenging coaching. And panahon din umiikot yung mundo So baka matingan pa naman DFA naman ang iikot ang mundo. Sumasayaw sa AFP si Yari Yongko, Makati talaga ang ano yan
Kaya
Makati
alam
talaga
mo, relax sila no?
Tagal na natin kino-cover din si Yari.
But now she's married, she has 2 kids.
Oh, does she?
Yes, 4-year-old and 2-year-old. Si Forrest ay 4-year-old and the little girl, si Gaia, is 2 years old.
Akala ko pangalan ng girl Jungle kasi Forrest. Naman. Okay, kanino serve? Eto. Ay, nako, hindi maganda simulain para kay Reyes at ito'y lumanding sa net.
Nakita ko na yung mababa yung kamay niya So when she hit that ball, diretso sa net.
So Olores is there. She'll continue to set and now serve. Down the line it goes. Papalinas. This is a cut shot. One more time around that block. Good reach by Olores. Elevated by Pantino. Second longest rally in progress. Olores puts one hand on it. Here comes a possible strike, but no, Major Hackett can't strike. And that's down enough for the tying score.
You know, if the Lady Gunners nakakapunto sila sa Zone 6 ng DFA, yun naman ang ginawa rin ng DFA ngayon. Si Dairo went for the Zone 6 of AFP.
We're tied at 1 apiece, and this is a short serve that does not reach its destination.
Yeah, and if you're the coach, yun yung talagang ayaw mo mangyari. Kasi wala ka talagang kalaban sa service.
You try to not look at it, but it's there, staring back at you. Dairo battling, there's a net touch. It'll be a point for the AFP. Freebie.
Yeah, nagkaroon ng joust sa net, and Dairo, when she landed, na off-balance siya, so sumabit sa net.
Yes, indeed. So, Yonko will be serving. Papalinas, Dairo, Olores, the strike. Yes, on target, and she is unstoppable here today with 15 points.
Si Pantino kasi when she hit that ball, timong ganda nung arm swing niya, and she knew where she wanted to that ball to go. Challenge yung libero ng DFA.
And Yonko continues to serve. Nicely sailing in. Dairo blocked, but kept in play. Pantino denied. The running spike by Reyes. Okay, it's neutralized. Joust, Olores. Oh, crossing, jaywalking.
Good effort though by Yonko, diba? Tried to keep that ball alive.
Sa haba ng legs ni Yari, hindi siya makatumbling back Awkward, sabi niya. Hindi po ako libero. Oh, good serve. Just above the net.
Ooh.
Ano nangyari?
Net si Oliveri.
That's depressing if you're playing well, and that happens. Unavoidable, though. Dolohan darts back in. Pulls out De Gia. Hake will serve. Abalinas. Olivere. Active floor defense by the DFA. Yonko. Pantino short.
I was gonna say, ganda ng set ni Yonko.
Oh, actually.
Nagkamali lang sa attack. Okay lang, we have to give it to Pantino. Kanina pa siya atake and she's the highest pointer right now for the Lady Gunners.
With a total of 15 as Dolohan tries her hand at it. Pabalinas sets it with 2 hands. Tough at the net. It's still alive and they'll have to force it over. Dolohan spun too early.
She wanted to get that ball. Kilang siguro may halong hilo na rin dun sa pag-ikot niya sa bola.
Because she was looking at it and she was running forward and, you know, mahihilo ka nga naman. Hello. Nicely dumped. Reyes putting 2 hands on it.
Tsaka si Reyes, nung binalik niya yung bola, hindi diretso. Rinidirect niya.
So that nobody was going to get it.
Yes.
Dairo has played well coming off the bench. Better passing by DFA, actually. Pantino. Olivere. They have to give it over. Oh, she got it.
Ang ganda naman ng tip ni Olores. Actually, the ball was really too close to the net. Pag sinet pa niya yun, baka sumabit pa siya. So she tipped that ball over.
Saka ano yun? Prone to double contact yun kasi masyadong malapit sa net. Iwas ka ng iwas sa net nun. Samantala, here comes the serve. Player number 9, that's Lavado. Joust. And Pantino winning out, scoring her 16th point.
Yeah, nauna si Pantino sa bola eh. That's why she had a bigger grasp on the ball compared to Reyes. Kaya na-push niya yung bola agad. They got the point.
Lavado serve, out of control. AFP's slightly up, 7-6. 6 serves against 7 now. De Gia. Attack. Pantino surprised it's still alive. There's a reach for it by Yonko. Pantino denied. Entry. Sealed.
Good eye there by the defenders of DFA. Alam nila si Pantino ang magiging attacker talaga, main attacker ng AFP right now. So Reyes timed her hit at binasa niya kung saan pupunta yung bola.
Exactly. Pabalinas' serve. Olores tapping it over. Pabalinas sets. And it's a successful foray by Reyes.
Reyes going for that cross-court hit. A good angle there.
Ira Pablo has a report.
Iya Yonko played for LaSalle Dasma during her collegiate days. So she participated in the PESAA and the NCAA as well. Nung tinanong ko siya kung paano siya nakapunta dito sa AFP, ang sabi niya sa akin, naangasan lang daw siya dun sa uniforme o yung BDU na tinatawag, battle dress uniform ng AFP. So she wanted to wear that uniform, pero nung nakapasok na siya sa AFP, lubusan na daw talaga niyang nagustuhan yung institution. So right now, she is undergoing schooling under the helicopter unit. So she's training to be a mechanic, but at the same time, a gunner as well. So pag sumakay daw ng helicopter, kaya niyang bumarel. So nagpapa-shoutout nga pala siya sa akin sa 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing Unit ng Cebu. Balik sa inyo.
Amazing.
And you know, the AFP helicopters are some of the most stable. I've ridden twice.
Oh, wow.
In Mindanao, and when you ride them, they're very stable, and they fly really low sa Mindanao areas. So, sipin mo si Yongko, mamamaril.
Parang ang hinhin niya para pamaril.
Well, hin-hin ka dyan.
Oh!
Ayun!
Oh, it's still alive! Oh!
Ha! Sabi ni Yongko, buhay pa?
Ang ganda ng running hit ni Yongko doon, lalo na't walang blocker ang DFA for that.
Pero buhay pa nga,
Oo, ang ganda nun. But I think Oliveira was also surprised that the ball was still alive.
Dolohan serving. Reached for by Abarientos. Dolohan gets to it. Olores. Ayaw gumapang yung bola. Pantino denied access. And she now has 4 errors to match her 17 points.
Ito talaga malapit yung score, no? So the AFP cannot, you know, hindi pwede silang maging lax if they want to get this third set. Good save.
Yongko trying to distract the blocker there. Then she tosses it over. Drop. Olores with the first touch.
Cool na cool eh, si Yongko. Pero she was turning, nakita niya, narinig niya si Pantino. So she goes, okay, I got it. And puts that ball in zone 6.
I do remember her from the De La Salle Benilde team. 10 all tayo. Uh-oh. Rotation error ang DFA. Unfortunately.
That's why, di ba, when you're a volleyball player, kailangan alamin mo, sino yung opposite mo? Nasaan na ba yung opposite ko? And that's one of the ways by which you will know if you're in the right position or not.
Suddenly, it's a freebie para sa AFP. Olores whips it in. Yongko. Regalo.
What a hit by Yongko. That was a setting error there, but it was a perfect set for Yongko.
Yes, unfortunately. And Olores will continue to serve her team 2 points ahead. They lead 2-0 in this first match here today. Uh-oh, problematic recovery that time. They were unable to get any second ball. DFA being summoned back to the bench.
Dumidikit, doon naman kayo nagkakalat. Simple-simple lang naman. Cheng, huwag kayo magpaka-Disney princess. Diyos ko alam na sa harap mo na, hindi mo pa akbangan.
Bawi po.
Laging ganun Advance nyo naman yung movement. Hindi naman lalapit sa'yo yung bola Aakbangan mo yung bola nang nakahawak ka na naman sa kamay mo, di susubsub ka lang. Ba't ayaw mong humakbang muna bago mahawakan yung kamay mo? Pinapractice naman natin, hindi mo ina-apply. Humakbang ka muna nang nakarelax yung kamay. Hindi yung hahabol ka nang nakaposas ka. Lalo mong hindi makokontrol yung bola.
Good reminder there, no, by Coach Quintin. Kasi naman, kailangan humakbang ka muna. Sabi nga niya kanina, huwag ka maging Disney princess. I remember when we were playing, kasi nung 80s, pag naglalaro ka, di ba, semento yung sahig.
Okay.
Tapos talagang madumi. Kaya may kita mo yung mga uniform ng mga players talagang madudumi. Kasi minamap nila yung floor with their bodies.
Yep. Wala pang taraflex ng mga semento. 14-10.
Noon, pag natanggal ang knee pads mo, tanggal talaga yung balat mo noon.
Diba, alam mo naman sa Mary noon, sa Ateneo, kahit sa UP, semento talaga.
Oo.
Pero siguro ang ingat lang natin, di tayo nagkaroon ng major injuries. In the meantime, Major Hake takes care with the tip and will make it 15-10. It's a matter of time now before a possible straight sets win here.
I think it's also because we were taught how to land properly.
That's also correct. How to use your shoulders for rolling.
Right.
Here comes the set. Hake, short. Wait, talking about that. Alam mo naman kami, magkabatch ng coach mo, si Coach Mac. Yun ang talagang nagbabasahan, nililinis talaga yung court. Ang dumi talaga ng uniform niya pagkatapos. Pantino was out of sorts, out of position as well.
Ang ganda naman kasi ng angulo nung service na yun. You would think that ball was wide.
Yeah. But in fairness to Coach Mac, walang bolang lumalampas sa kanya. Galing niya talagang, oy! Inside! Inside! Nagulat ang MP.
Si Abarrientos kanina pa, no? Milking it on zone 4.
Suntokin ko to. Sige. Flores. Hake with a back row strike. Sa gitna tayo. Nice lift by Dairo. Flores. Hake. May tao dun, si Olivere. Standing spike by Alex Tangayan. Pantino. Third longest rally. Yangko finishing it.
You know, si Dairo, maganda yung ginawa niya. Tinarget niya si Olores para walang setter for the attack. Kaya lang, lahat sila marunong mag-set sa Lady Gunners. So even if the ball is not sa setter na bigay, tumatakbo pa rin yung play nila.
Meanwhile, Yongkong mops her serve, and we can now go to Ira Pablo for a quick report.
She's not inside the court right now, but did you guys know na hindi college graduate itong si Let Mabayad? So she did play for UST for 3 years, pero hindi siya nakapagtapos. And of course, that didn't stop her from getting a full-time job dito sa AFP, serving for almost 9 years already. Hindi daw kasi required ang bachelor's degree sa AFP, but the institution does require the completion of 72 units. Tapos, pag nakapasok ka na sa AFP, dun ka na pwedeng mag-enroll sa mga in-house trainings nila and yung schoolings na tinatawag nila. Lalo na if you want to specialize in a specific AFP field or assignment. So, napakagandang pakinggan na meron pa rin mga opportunities na ganito, lalo na para sa mga hindi nakapagtapos ng kanilang mga undergraduate studies. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Yes. Nakapagturo ako dyan sa AFP.
Wow. Communication.
Pero lahat sila gusto magsalita. So ayoko na magsalita. lahat marunong eh. Kaso, nung nagturo ako sa National Defense College, so lahat general, lahat komodor. Ayoko na sa inyo. Hindi nyo ako kailangan, sabi ko. 18-15, pero yun ang mas ganda sa career sa military, no? Kulang schooling o gusto mo pa na schooling for promotion will help you.
Ganda nga talaga nun.
Ay.
Yeah, Pabalinas wanted that set to be near the net. Kaya lang tumama, sa sobrang lapit, tumama na sa antena.
Too near. Another timeout by the TFA.
Ano nangyari? Tinapon nyo. Ano nangyari ngayon? Laging ganun, didikit na kayo. Andun na. Tapos itatapon nyo. Dalawang magkasunod pa yung tapon nyo. Diba? Para, sabi ko nga mag-isip. Sinasayang nyo yung pagkakataon. Kayo rin naman nagsayang. Yun yung mga bagay na hindi na kayang i-coach. Kasi kayo na yun eh. Yung simpleng bagay na dapat i-over nyo lang, na dapat ipapasok nyo lang, tinatapon nyo. O ano nangyayari? Diba? Kayo naman. Wala, andyan na yan. Bumawi na lang kayo.
Bawi tayo guys! Kaya yan! Defense fight! Walang passport.
Huwag nyo nang aasarin si Yari Yongko, ha?
Oo.
Baka masingganing ka niya. Ito mga babaeng to. Mga career moves, ano? Pero I like it when women take on non-traditional roles. Gusto ko yan eh.
Sharp. Good dig.
Olores. Hinabol ni Pantino. And they arrive at 20.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Quintin na the coach can only do so much. Lahat kailangan sila na like yung extra hakbang, basa ng bola kasi pinapractice naman daw nila yan sa training nila.
Doon actually binabayaran ng coach sa training, lalo na sa volleyball, ano? Hindi ba? Kasi you have to sharpen the team, yung skills, patterns.
Yes.
Pagdating sa laro, players na talaga yan. Uy, ganda ng palo na yon.
Good up.
Uy, pwedeng nahabol. Yes, indeed. Ito si Abarrientos. Free ball. Ay, nine.
Kasi sinabi ni Yoko, out. Kaya lang, sabi
Agad
nila,
ba?
hindi naman ah.
Kaya nag-hesitate si Labado. Ayan, tingnan mo ha. Ito.
Ayan.
Out,
Ayun,
out,
sabi.
out. Hindi, no?
Hindi, pasok na pasok yun.
Oo. 4-point lead. Olores. Pantino. Denied. Reyes. Pantino again. Denied again. Good action at the net. Yonko. Ganda ng decision ni Pantino to hit it long. All good heave to the other end. Levado with a better job there. Dolohan cuts it high. Fourth longest rally.
Kita ba si Yvonne, meron pa siyang walk away after that good hit. So she was able to avoid the blocker and get the point for her team.
Mga simple joys of life. Naku, lakas.
At yun din yung sinasabi ni Coach, no? Pag nakakapuntos, nag-error naman kayo. So sayang din.
21 errors in total ang kupunan ng DFA.
Dami.
And these translate into points.
Yeah.
Labado. Good sharp strike. No, it's Reyes.
Ganda ng setup ni Pabalinas para kay Reyes. Good
Mayap.
distance from the net.
Full swing tuloy si... Kasi pag malapit sa net, hindi ka makaka-full swing.
Oo.
Dana Pabalinas with her serve. Good set. And with a good running approach from Pantino.
Again, you know the communication between the setter and the hitter because that's a different height sa net and a different distance, but then Pantino was still there for it.
Exactly. So, Marian Pantino and her serve. Olores. Yonkos down the line.
Ganda ng palo ni Yonko. Did you know na si Yonko only entered volleyball in college, sabi nga ni Ira. Kaya lang, nag-enter siya because nabubuli siya. Dahil sa height niya.
Talaga?
Oo, sinasabi daw sa kanya, hindi ka na magkaka-boyfriend kasi ang tangkad mo. Kaya nag-volleyball siya. It's the sport where you need the height, diba?
Oy, does not apply yan. Does not apply yan.
Correct. Madami namang matangkad na lalaki.
Oo naman. Kahit ba maliit ang maging boyfriend yan, bakit ba?
Oo nga, tama.
Chichismisan natin si Yari. Baka nakapag-asawa na rin yan, di ba?
Nakapag-asawa na.
See?
Yes, with 2 kids.
Yun nga, si Forrest at si Jungle.
Oo.
Ito, match point na. Dolohan. Pabalinas. Miscue by the AFP.
Pinatagal nila yung game na there. Ito na, chance for DFA.
Alam mo, tingnan mo yung coaching staff ng AFP. All-woman crew.
Oo nga.
Man. Si Coach Cruzado, si Coach Go, si Coach Wendy. Ganda na set. Naku, tumawid. Jaywalking!
So kumakapit ang DFA.
Ang hirap na, no? Yun sa net. Yung iiwas kang tatawid,
Oo.
ihiga mo na lang. Pabaliktad, pero hindi. Yung momentum mo brings you forward. 21-24. Hala! Hala, sumisipa pa DFA. Oh.
Si Reyes, iniiba-iba din niya yung direksyon ng kanyang services.
That's true.
That's a good floater.
Hello!
Oo, kita mo nung lumipad yung bola, it was flat and heavy.
Those are 3 match point save, and Coach Go wants to huddle up the AFP. Let's listen into the AFP.
Isang maganda receive lang, isang patay. Isa-isa. One good. Isang patay na, isang maganda.
AFP! Ano, wait lang. Dahan-dahan na. Huwag natin masyadong magmandali. Sinustress niya yung bola. Isa na lang naman. Dahan-dahanin na lang natin.
Go. One good receive, one good set, and there's Santos.
Lahat one good. Kasi 1 good point, tapos na ang bakbakan. Sabi ng DFA, 1 good. Kayo rin, tabla tayo.
Good strategic timing by Coach Go. Kasi nga, nakakailan na si Reyes.
Ako, tumayo na si Coach Cecil Cruzada. Alam mo, si Coach Cecil, nagko-coach ng lalaki yan.
Oh, nako.
Behave ang mga boys sa Navy pag siya nagko-coach.
Makinig sila, diba?
Oo. Mahiya sila. Here we go. Tatabla ba? One good receive, one good set. Tapos. Yun na mismo.
Yun nga yung sinabi ni Olores kanina. Huwag niyong mamadaliin yung first ball. Kasi pag madali yung first ball, mabilis ang dating sa kanya, it's harder to set. So, cool lang. So now, yeah.
It's a 3-set win by the AFP. And in convincing fashion, although there were some scary moments here in the 3rd set. So, sino ang best player natin, Chicky?
Pantino did a good job. She had a total of 19 points, 16 attacks, 1 block, 2 service aces.